Hey guys, poorly positioned camera, tall head, cut-off face here. Hey guys, Joshua Vidovic from Vidovic Arts here. Have you played Kingdom Come Deliverance? Because I've played a bunch of it and there's a dice game in that game that I really enjoy. And I decided I wanted to play it with mates outside of the game. And it's actually called Farkle, which I'm not a fan of the name, but it's a really fun game to play every now and then.
It's Farkle, the classic dice-rolling risk-taking game.
Mama needs a new pair of shoes.
You don't.
Who farkled?
That's a real ad for a real game.
And I decided I wanted to make my own special cup, a dice cup. And this can be used for more than just that game. You can use it for any kind of dice rolling scenario. But yeah, this is the dice cup I made. And if you look at it, straight up it just looks like a cup with a whole bunch of like circles. But if you look nice and close, you can see it's actually a whole bunch of skulls. And I think that's pretty cool. Anything with skulls on it equals cool. So, we got a skull dice cup. It's a bunch of skulls made into a cup. And you can play your games. Whatever game you want to play, you just dice roll, chuck it in, and you're good to go. Now, this didn't take too long to print either. I think it was about 15 hours, which sounds like a long time for people who don't have 3D printers, but that's really short for something this size. And printing it, you don't have to print it gold, you can print it whatever you want, but gold looks pretty damn awesome. Yeah, I really want to focus on some more dice making stuff and dice towers, and if you've seen my dice tower in the previous video, it should be right here. Yeah, go check that out if you want to see some other dice rolling inventions that are available for 3D printing. And I think I will be working on some more cups and things like that in the future. But until then, head over to Thingiverse and download this for yourself and print it up and get dice rolling. Anyway, I'll keep playing the game. Look at that. I got 2 ones. I'll catch you guys around. See ya.
Run around. Let me go, for Christ's sake. I have to bury my parents.
You're going nowhere, except back inside.